yourself and tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
Hey y'all, it's wash day. I have put this off long enough, and honestly, y'all, I'm being like real with y'all. I am at a point where I just want to cut my hair off, like short, like chin length short, or like relax it. I don't know. I feel like every time I'm just like, oh, it's wash day, so I really don't do these videos because I just put off my wash days. But I'm always like, oh, my hair isn't doing great, it's blah, blah, blah. Y'all, I really just haven't been taking care of it. And I haven't even had the like desire to take care of it. You cannot have a whole soda. You get a cup and bring it to me. Isaiah think he gonna have a whole soda up in my house. Nope on the rope. I don't know if it's just like I haven't bought like new products for my hair that I'm excited about, because that'll get me to take care of my hair. I don't know if it's just like not feeling like it. I don't know if I just need a change at this point in my life. I really hate when people say that natural hair is not a lot of work, because it's like more work than you want. I'm starting to feel just a couple different ways about natural hair, and I'm just like, it takes a lot more effort, you know. It let's just be honest. And a lot of it also just comes with, I haven't had the best year as well, and I think that has a lot to do with it, just like my lack of effort. So I gotta get things back in order. I say this all the time whenever I do a wash day video. I gotta get things back in order, and I never do, but I'm just, y'all know, I'm just keep trying. I'm just gonna keep trying. So anyways, so it's been about 4.5 weeks since I've washed my hair. I don't think it's been 5 just yet. My scalp doesn't get too crazy, you guys. My scalp is pretty nice to me. It's pretty good, but this is still like a long time. I don't know if I'm gonna end up blow drying my hair and cutting some length off today, or if I'm gonna just put it in some like chunky mini twists just until I really decide what I want to do with my hair. I don't know. So when we get there, we'll talk about it. We'll discuss it. Y'all know the products I'm finna use. I am using my pre-poo, my African Pride pre-poo. Just bought another big one off of Amazon. And then to deep condition, I'm gonna use my Adwoa Blue Tansy deep conditioner, because I just bought one from Sephora, and we'll go from there. All right, y'all, so here is a close-up of my hair. So mainly my biggest concerns are my sides, my edges right here. They're just not as full as they used to be, and not as long either. And at this point, you guys, my hair was so tangled. I was like, it was probably one of the reasons why I didn't even like want to do it, because it was just so tangled. It wasn't matted because I don't let my hair get to that stage, but yeah. So I'm starting off with using my African Pride pre-shampoo. I can't believe how many of you guys still don't know about this. This pre-shampoo, especially if you have type 4 hair, is a miracle worker, and it's so cheap, y'all. It's so inexpensive. I highly recommend you just go on Amazon and get the 3-pack like I did. I think a 3-pack is like under $20, and it lasts for such a long time. I use it on my hair, and I use it on my husband's hair. We both have type 4 hair, and it just does a fabulous job with getting all of the tangles out in no time. So I always start with loosening up my hair with just my hands. So just finger detangling. That's what you want to do. You never really want to go in with a tool. I always use my detangling brush after I finger detangled and release those shed hairs. So what you see me doing here step by step is spraying a little bit of water, adding the pre-shampoo, mainly just focusing it on my hair. You don't need it really on, you don't need it on the scalp. You need it on the ends of your hair, and of course all throughout. And then you're just gonna finger detangle till you feel like you've got enough tangles out, and then you're going to use your tool of choice. And you guys, y'all know I will put everything down below for you, and it's all listed in my Amazon store. It's always there, every product that I'm using. So I just do this throughout my entire head. And y'all, you don't want to let this sit overnight. I made that mistake one time and it ended up drying out my hair really bad. Like I just didn't feel like doing my wash day and I kept it in. Don't do that. So if you're going to use this pre-poo, make sure you go ahead and wash your hair the same day. And then, so here I washed my hair. I can't remember what shampoo I used. I probably used Cream of Nature, the sulfate free, or the Adjua clarifying shampoo. I don't remember, you guys, but I'm going in with my blue oh my gosh, can you talk, girl? Blue Tansy deep conditioner from Adjua. I get this from Sephora, and I believe you can get it now on Amazon, so I will link this down below. It's one of my absolute favorites, and it's really thick, so make sure your hair is pretty wet so that you're able to spread it and you're not wasting too much product. But I love using this deep conditioner when I just feel my hair needs a really great overall treatment. And yeah, I just go section by section and slap this mug all the way through. One thing I wanted to say, one of the reasons why, like, I felt like my hair is like giving me, it's an emotional roller coaster at this point, because like I think a blow dry before this, or my wash day before this, was probably one of my best wash days, you guys. And now, like this day, I was just so dreading my hair. And one of the things is protective styling. I know I'm really bad at like leaving my base styles in. So whenever I do like the illusion method and stuff, I leave those little bitty braids in. I don't keep my hair moisturized and my hair ends up breaking off, which is why I'm having so much difficulty with the front of my hair. So just be careful with protective styling. Make sure your hair is always moisturized, sealed, all that great stuff. So also, another issue that I'm having, and I tend to go through this like every other year or something like that, is my iron levels and my vitamin D levels are so low right now. And I know they are low, one, because I went to the doctor and she told me, like, get it together. But also, my hair is a telltale sign of how I'm doing in those areas. So if that is a problem for you as well, like it is with me, make sure you go to your doctor. You know, hair tells a lot about our health. So keep that in mind too, you guys. So yeah, moving on with this flat iron. Y'all, I was very confident that I was going to leave this bathroom with chin length hair. And I'm going to let you know right now, that did not happen because I punked out. It is what it is, okay? I am also flat ironing in super like small sections, y'all. I never flat iron in these little bitty sections. I have fine hair, and if you have fine hair, you don't need to flat iron in these little sections. It's just gonna make our fine hair look even thin and lifeless, and that's basically gonna be my outcome today. But I did it on purpose. About like once a year, I will flat iron my hair like this, super small, especially when I'm ready to cut it, like do a really good cut so that my hair is nice and straight. So otherwise, you guys, I take big sections so that I have volume, and I definitely don't do this stuff. So if you've gotten to this point in my video, thank you so much for watching and listening to me ramble today. I really, really do appreciate it. Like, I really do, y'all. I love y'all. But I got a question. My question is, if you are natural, have you been contemplating, like for real, be honest, going back to a relaxer, and what's stopping you? I'm gonna have an honest moment with you guys. What's stopping me from going back to a relaxer is two things. One, I just feel like if I would just want to wear my hair straight, like it's relaxed, I'm just gonna keep blow drying it and flat ironing it every day, and I'd rather do that than go back to a relaxer. But also, I just being on YouTube, being on social media, I just kind of feel this pressure, you guys, because I like my natural hair. Well, I did. I don't hate it now. I'm going through it, you guys. I'm going through it. But I just feel this pressure, like if I did relax it, I would just get, oh Lord, everybody would just come for me, basically. And I don't feel like all that. And I'm being honest with you guys. I don't want to hear like, oh, you relax your hair. Are you ready for cancer? Are you ready for this? Yes, I know the issues and all the things that come with relaxed hair. I get it. I totally get it. But also sometimes I'll be looking at these women, because they're mostly women, and being like, well, don't you do other unhealthy stuff? Okay. Ain't nobody judging you. And I'm talking about some real unhealthy things, you know? I think I can deal with a relaxer. I don't know, you guys. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. So those are my two reasons why, I guess. And honestly, if you've been here for a minute, I think I mostly just think about relaxing my edges again in my nape, and that's it. But yeah, let me know what's stopping you, or even if you don't have the desire or anything. I'm just curious at this point. Just curious, you guys. Oh, also I forgot to tell you, this video is gonna stop. Like, I lost all my footage of me cutting my hair, you guys, because I gave myself a really great trim. Sorry about that. I don't know. I don't know where it is. I don't know if I deleted it on accident or what. But this is basically the end of this video. I'm just gonna throw my hair up in a ponytail. And yeah, hopefully I will be back like next week or the week after that with a new look, you guys. Or I'm gonna punk out again. I really don't know, but I appreciate you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Look at my little ponytail. Okay, we got some length though. Swing that, girl. Swing it.
If somebody's there, then tell me who.